Okay, good morning, viewers. I'm Aska from Mr. Bob Headline News, bringing the last news for today. The Indonesian government has launched a budget efficiency policy in a number of government departments and institutions, with an improved state financial management, which it has been criticized for being ineffective and often not on target. Budget that are issues and larger amounts are spent in the domestic sector. Such a for the food program can have a positive impact on economy. This is one way to increase domestic demand and encourage economic growth. This step is expected to stimulate the microeconomy, increase economic demand, and ultimate encourage economic growth. That's all news from today. I am Aska. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.